Baby, I need your love. Baby, I need your love from me. It's you that I'm thinking of. Tell me what is it going to be?
What's good, gang? It's your boy Ace, and man, I am back with another video. This one's called Mitchell Robbins Microwave Soup. Pretty interesting. I don't necessarily know what microwave soup is really about, but we're gonna get straight into it. Notification gang, let's get it.
Hello, my name is Mitchell Robbins. I'm 23 years old, and I'm trying to microwave my soup, and I can't do it. It's very hard, and the microwave is very frightening, and I just don't know why. But my family keeps calling me names and putting me down and saying I can't do it. My whole family says they can't do it, and they hate me for it.
Yeah, and it's
Microwaves are spooky, scary, and frightening.
Still talk faster than me.
I don't understand why anyone would have them in their house, plus they're very difficult to use, and I don't know how to figure it out, and I don't know how anybody uses them, and I just want to microwave my soup.
Mitchell, you want to go get the
I
soup?
don't want to get the soup. Okay, I can't use the microwave. I can't figure it out. It's too
No,
complicated.
Mitchell, we'll just start by.
You can't just start the
We'll
microwave.
put it
There's
in
too
the
many buttons, and I
microwave.
don't know how to figure it
We
out.
won't start the microwave. We'll just start.
Mitchell! Hello, 911. I can't start the damn microwave.
No, are you ready to act like an adult?
I am an adult. I'm 23 years old. My name's Mitchell Robbins. Can you give me a ride home?
Mitchell!
Why do I even ask? You have to at least try. The gloves are coming out. Why would you like to know?
Mitchell, you got the soup?
Yeah, I got the soup, okay?
Cream of mushroom, that's disgusting.
Pretty soon I realized I just had to microwave the soup because what am I going to starve to death? So the gloves are coming
Mitchell,
out.
where do you get these gloves?
What is going on right now? This guy Mitchell Robbins is going completely insane, crazy right now. Like, he's talking really, really fast. Everything that's going on around him, he's just all over the place. Like, man.
Mitchell, you gotta take the soup out of the can first. Mitchell, what are you trying to do? Mitchell, you gotta put the soup in the bowl first. The microwave is fine where it's at. Just... Oh, Mitchell. Oh my god. Mitchell, come back. We'll try this again. How did you... Mitchell, the soup isn't in the microwave. It's on the counter still. Mitchell.
Are they still making new episodes fairly off, Aaron?
Mitchell, where did you get that? Oh, Mitchell.
Soup's done.
Is that your microwave?
Nope, it's my vote.
Bro, what is up with this guy? I thought I was crazy.
Wake up, sheeple. Should we release this?
Nah,
Subscribe for more soup. Bruh, I don't know what this guy Mitchell Robbins was just going through. I thought I was crazy. Man, I ain't seen crazy until just now. He thought that the soup was inside the microwave, and it wasn't. Well, good video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you put notifications on for more videos. I'ma holler at you. Peace.
Baby, I need